What up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. What up, Jay Styles? I am just trying to get all my stuff out. Where are we? 2022, 500. Boom. Yo, yo, yo. What up, Dal? Yo, what up, Cody? Yo, Cody, I'm trying, man. I'm trying to get this payout today. This is my sole focus is to add is to get this payout today. So I am trying my hardest. Oh, geez, man. So what do you need to make? Like an extra $100 or something? What's the number you need to make? Only $40 more. How hard could that be? Good morning, Ali. Morning, TJ. What up, Sean, Dell? Yo, good morning, Donna. Flipping the house. Yo, it's just $40. That's so easy to make. So easy. I think we're going to dump. Yo, what up, John? I think we're going to dump. I'm trying to get all my stuff out. That's just my GDP number was not good, by the way. Not good GDP. Just trying to. I secured a $2,000 payout last night, and if I can get $100 in here, I'll secure another 1,200. That would give me a 3,200 today. Well, I'm down 138, so I need to make 240 right now. 240. $240 is only like 12 points. How hard could 12 points be? Good morning, Noel. Good morning, Monet. Trying, man. Locked in. 2,000 lock-in was nice. $2,000 payout lock-in was nice. But yo, I've had where, just yesterday, what did I need? $90. I went from needing $90 to needing $500. That was no bueno. Yeah. It literally went from 500. It went from $90. I was like, oh, I just need a quick. What's $90? Like 5 points? Yeah. Yo, bingo was fun, man. I had a good time at bingo. We didn't win, but it was really fun. My kids liked it. Yo, welcome, June. Are you thriving? Savages. I think this is going to break down right here. I'm contemplating when I get in.
Order filled.
That gets me paid.
Order filled.
That gets me $1,200. It's June 26th. Good morning, Marie. Dump it. It wants to dump. Just dump it. Let it go, baby. Come on. Let it go.
Order filled.
What the absolute fuck was that? Yo, did Trump just fucking tweet something? Bro, what the fuck was that? There's Fed schmuck speaking right now? Fuck. Dude, how many fucking points was that? Just a quick 25 in a second? Well, this is what I passed. Not passed, but I locked in the payout yesterday. $280. I'm over 52,600. I could withdraw $2,000. My internet's still down since last night. Oh, geez, that sucks. I was having internet problems yesterday. It's not hot here anymore, so I don't think the internet's going to be a worry. I think it was so hot, like the heat wave, that it was causing like just electrical problems all over the place. It was hot like 3 days in a row. Super hot. Just full port it on your phone, Ray. YOLO! I'll be honest with you, the GDP number was not good. I have definitely a bias to the downside. Phone trading is brutal. Yeah. Corey does that shit all the time. I'm like, bro, I don't understand. Actually, you know what? Phone trading is not bad if you're going to go down to like 1 or 2 micros and play off like a 5 or 15-minute chart, and you're going to let the thing really like breathe. If you're going to let it breathe and not like scout, Yo, bad GDP number, no problem. We'll just fucking bounce it. Fucking so crazy. I think he fucking updated this. He did update this. Look at that. It's different now. I thought he updated it. To the windows, to the wall. Yeah, so you can set alerts and shit. I'm not doing that right now, but boom. Yo, if we didn't have bad GDP number, I'd say we were going up. Yo, what up, bum? What up? I'm going to play 8 bingos at open. Dude, crazy. I'm going to play 3 cons at open. Yo, Scotsman made his way over here. Trading view on mobile? Bro, I'm not doing that. Yo, recession, bullish. Bombs, bullish. Depression, bullish. Crippling debt, bullish. Yo, I read an article. They were talking about how by August, our debt's going to be like something ridiculous. Yeah, by August, dude. That's going to be the next theme in the market. Bro, NQ, I can't phone trade. I don't know. Yeah, I can't either. I got 3 24-inch monitors and a 17-inch laptop next to me. I can't shrink that down to, you know, what is that? Like a 3-inch screen by 6-inch? Every inch helps. Cove, how do I add VWAP to Tradeify? So you go into indicators, you go into explore community indicators, and then you go to like VWAP bands, and then you can just take the VWAP bands off, or VWAP. You just type it in up here, VWAP, and you install it. And then you might go to settings like this, and you can like click on it, and then you can take the bands off, like no band, no band. That's how you set it up, Lee. What up, Pine? Dude, I think we're going. I mean, the GDP number sucks. I don't understand what the fuck's going on. Oh, dude, I had to do kid drop off all week today, man. This sucks, except yesterday. Can't get it up, bullish. Bro, Dell, did you write that in the fucking. You wrote that other thing in the chat, bro? Certain things I just can't say on the stream. That's probably one of them. Jeez. Brandon Thompson, I have an eval and it's on its last day before a reset. I'm up 6K. Honestly, Brandon, if I was resetting in a day, how high do you have to go up to 9,000, I guess? I'd probably take a shot at passing all at once, man. Just going to keep it real. Me personally, I'm not telling you what to do, but me personally, I would go to rip that and pass today. Because if I didn't pass, they're gonna rebill me. Might as well just. It sucks that you're so far. Like I'm guessing you got to get to 9,000. So it kind of sucks that you're right. You know, you're right there. Uh, I would probably. I don't know, man. It would be a coin. Me personally, I wouldn't have even made it a month. I would have passed it or fucking destroyed it by now. Bro, him stock got smoked. Their deal with Navarro fell through. I do like Hims though, the fucking stock. I made a lot of fucking money on Hims. That was like one of my big winners this year. That got my portfolio up, bro. Back the truck up, load the boat, go long. I don't know. I'm waiting to see how this opens. I'm in wait and see mode. Nike earnings after the close could actually be a mover with trade. Yo, Nike is so far down. It's almost like value at this point. Wait and stroke mode. Bro, you guys are. I'll tell you what, that Hims company like changed the fucking game where you can just get shit at home. They do fucking everything at home. They do the weight loss thing. They do the fucking get hard thing. They do a bunch of women's shit too. And you don't have to go anywhere. You just fucking sit at home. Soon they're gonna send you a device. Holy shit. I'm telling you, man, I think this thing fucking unloads.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, that's twice that a flash fucking candle has taken me out. That literally just flashed up fucking 20 points in a half a second. Bro, that was a half a second. What the fuck was that? What in the fuck was that? Watch, it's going to come all the way back down. What a piece of shit. I'm playing the open. I'm definitely going to play the open. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm waiting and seeing. Oh, this is tight. Oh, are you kidding? Smashed. Smashed. I just took that open. Now I'm looking at the 1 minute orb right here. I'm just watching. I know it's going to sound crazy, but I play that first 15-second break for fucking 5 points. That hit. The opening is weak. I just smashed that for 265. I just think it sells off today.
Order filled. Order filled.
I've been wrong every fucking time today. I just needed $100. I went from needing 100. I'm just going to wait for a fucking sweep at this point. I'm so freaking short bias is the problem. I don't understand how the GDP number could be like that and it just be fucking like, oh yeah, this is normal, guys. We're cool. Everything's fucking cool. Like, I don't understand. I don't get it. How the shittier things get, how everyone's just fucking cool with it. Duh. Now we're going to sell off. YM is new highs? Shut up. Look, I got stopped out at the fucking top.
Order filled.
I'm in until it hits the daily loss limit. It's either going to hit the daily loss limit or I'm going to get fucking paid. How's that sound? I'm so fucking pissed off right now. My stop just wasn't big enough. And I would have gotten paid right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Done. I am so fucking annoyed. Bro, that was my fucking take profit too, all the way down there.
Order filled.
Watch, it's going to go all the way fucking down now. I actually have a pro account. I don't know why it didn't give it to me. I got a pro account in here. I just want to see if I got to log in again. I wanted my pro account in case we do some crazy fucking shit. Yo, him's got pills for that. Yo, this is fucking crazy. I can't get over that the numbers sucked and we're just not dumping. It's a good way to start my fucking pro account, right? That's a good way to start the pro account. Unfucking believable that I got stopped out. That's so crazy. I got freaking stopped. And here we go, baby. Here we fucking go. Yo, we go through 500. This is going to fucking dump.
Order filled.
Well, being that I had more drawdown, this was the same play I played in, what do you call it? My Express account. This is what I was in fucking My Funded Futures that got stopped out. I just took profit, $500. I'm going to lock it out. Oh, shit. Oh, baby. Yo, whose face just got fucking ripped off? Oh, shit. What? Do you need $2? Do you still need $2 after that? Oh, bro. I was a face ripper. Yo, Dell, you got lucky. Yo, Scotsman. Yeah. Oh, baby. Bro, that's crazy. Dude, I'm just looking. I don't trust this shit. I don't trust this at all. Dude, I thought we'd go for a trend day, to be honest with you. I didn't see this. I thought we would just kind of dump here, especially in the open. They're bringing it all the way back. All the way up. No way. Oh, what is the ES running, Joseph? Holy shit. Did I just see that right? Wow, bro. The ES is almost at highs. Is that right? Wow. I wonder if the ES dumps and just brings I would say I would play the NQ short. Yeah, I mean, obviously NQ is super weak right now. I kind of want to pull the trigger on this. I am super worried that we're at 500, by the way. Just throwing that out there. It feels like it wants to let it go. But they're just holding it. They might bounce it here. The old 500 hold. There we go. Another good scalp. I think I need to get this one up to what? I think it's $750 today, right? 25K. 25K TPT in the house. I'm just looking at something. Boom, 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 boom. Holding short. See, Ray, if I didn't have drawdown, I would say short was the way. It doesn't seem like they want to let go of 500 though. And ES is running. ES is running, and you got I guess the Russell's running also. The play was short out the gate, and I got stopped on drawdown. Otherwise, I would have gotten paid. I still locked in $2,000 payout today, so I can't be super fucking annoyed. What's crazy is I think even if I lock in another $100 tomorrow, I could still take $1,200 out. So I'm down here. I played gold last night. As you can see, I copy traded in gold. I copy traded all these in gold. So I'm going to flip all this around today, though. There you fucking go. Look at that. I don't know, man. I really do feel like, yeah, someone just got trashed. Yeah, someone definitely just got trashed. 30-point down in a flash. There's a lot of these flash pop and dumps happening. Pretty interesting. Pretty fucking interesting. It's like a half a second. It just flashes. Here you go, Jim Blab. Yo, who held long? Yo, I was just looking at it. Ninja had a different price than Tradeivy for like a split second. I was wondering if I could play it. Honestly, I don't know which one's faster. This doesn't look great. If it loses here, I think I mean the big key level 22,500. It's just a massive number. I think if they do let it go, you're going to see like a fallout without a doubt. I can only get to $700 today. I don't know what I just did. For some reason, when it bracketed, it had like a weird bracket in there. It showed like sells and buys in the bracket. I think it just took me out, but in a good way. I don't know what the fuck. I was super weird. I want to actually go back on the video and see what happened. I hit the sell button, and then it put sells though on the brackets to stop. That's as if I bought it. See how the bracket is buys? When I clicked before, the bracket was sells. Listen, there's one of two things. Either they're going to hold it right here or they're going to flush it the fuck out. I think if they hold it here, I'm risking, I don't know, 10 points. If they flush it, the risk reward to me is pretty decent if they flush it out. That's how I'm looking at this trade, by the way. It's either going to flush it out and you're going to get 30, 40 points, or you're going to lose 10. Did I get greedy? Because I was up, I think, $300 at one real quick. All right. I'm at break even right now. So I just locked in 180 and I'm at BE. Let's see if they flush it out. Just let it go, man. Let it, whatever. 180 bucks. I'm still watching. They might bounce it right here and then down. I still like it down. Actually, that wouldn't be terrible if they bounced it to like 94 and get back in. Little 94 bounce, retests this orb, and then reject. Fuck it. Fuck it. See what just happened? Now I have these cells. That's fucking weird again, dude. Why does that happen? I think it's just grinding sell price. I think it's just grinding to the downside. I mean, it looks like it wants to flush it out. You want to see it stay below 500 and definitely below these two lines. If it starts to get above, I mean, I'm not in right now, but if it starts to get above, I don't like that they keep bringing it back over 500, back above the orb. You know, you want to stay below. Stochastics are sold off, though, so just watch out. We might come back up just a little bit, flash above 500, grab some stops, and come back down. Yeah, you want to see it reject here. Green on the day. I'm walking away for a few minutes to beat my head against the wall. Yeah. Yo, what up, Walter? Talk about Gamma. Yo. Yeah, look at them fucking pop this through. Debating on whether to get in right here. And they're fucking pushing it. Definitely some choppy ass action. Dude, my ninja is like fucking weird. Anybody's ninja weird today? Yo, what up, Elvin? What up, man? I feel like my ninja is like fucking delayed. 215 green. I'll take it and run. I'm not trading this chop. Good luck, ladies. Yo, later, Scotsman. Doing 40. What are you doing at once? Dell, what do you got going on right now? Are you working? I mean, they put in this like little V. Not that I like it. Working to the bone. Yo, tell your boss you're busy. Like, bro, I'm busy. I'll tell you what, this is a great way to start a day one fucking funded account. Oh, man. Man, if we get to the top of this orb thing, bro, I don't understand. Fucking the GDP numbers sucked. Am I just an idiot? I feel like I'm just an idiot. Am I the only one that's like, bro, number wasn't good and can't believe we're fucking going up? I don't think it's going to make it to the top, but who the fuck knows? Who really knows? I almost feel like they're holding this market up for the end of the quarter just to pump up the old balance sheet, and then we're going to dump in July. And they're going to be like, oh, well, you know, debt and GDP number was bad. It's like, yeah, but you guys pumped this shit for, you know, to make everything look fucking good. And then you just destroyed it on everybody's face. Like, real cool. The old delayed reaction for you guys to look good. That's what this shit is. So crazy. The old delayed reaction. Yo, Dell, what are you up, man? What's crazy is if we did not have bad news this morning, I would have taken this fucking long right here. Bro, what gold has done to me, Flip, forget about walking straight. Bro, I wake up with cold sweats thinking about what gold did to me. Yo, there you go, Sean. Shit's ripping. Dude, they just fucking ripped this thing. You think that was the sweep to short right there? I'm not touching this short, but I'm just watching. I'm watching. This was a crazy fucking move. That could have been the gold is going to dump. Come back down to like 39 might not be a bad place to take a move back up. This is freaking wild. Man, all the wrong. Lenny, listen, if you went strictly off the GDP numbers, it wasn't good. So there was a lot of chop. I could definitely see how someone could get smoked this morning, man. And I'm sure a lot of people did. So I wouldn't get down on yourself. I took a big L. I was right, but I took a loss. I just got awful entries. Flip, you love gold, bro. I see you trading there. You probably got a huge gold chain on right now. Just trading gold. Be like, I got you, gold. Ray. I don't know, man. We're at the top. We at the top. Yo, flip. What's crazy is when we had this dump, we didn't even flip a fair value gap down here. And that's kind of what I didn't like. If we would have flipped one low, I probably would have ended up taking it. But the fact is it came all the way up. I'm not really I wasn't really into it. I wasn't feeling it. See what happens. My internet just got back up. Dude, this is where billionaires are made, Ray. Who has earnings today? Nike has earnings today. Walgreens has earnings today. And McCormick. Nike will be interesting. I think Ackman is fully in Nike. I got to double check that. But I know at one point he was within the last 4 months. Yo. This thing's just going to fucking go for it. I guess, right? Maybe. I'm just watching. I just scalped it for momentum. It's just a quick momentum scalp to get a couple bucks in the account. I don't know. I don't think you take a short here, to be honest with you. It looks like it's just flagging. I don't know. I'm not completely sold on this. I'm not. I don't know. See if they bring it all the way back up. I got an awful fill. I was going to try getting a fill right here. I don't even know if it will hit it, though. Like 39. Yeah, would have got filled. Come on, baby. Fucking push it. Yo, you pass one, you get one for free, Dell. Did you get your money yet from Rise? I know you were waiting to get approved on Rise. Did you get it yet? Once you're approved on Rise, all payments after that are super quick. If we get up here, I'm going to break even, like 56. If we get up to like 56-ish, I'm going to break even. I'm moving my stop up in case it doesn't go. I don't want to get fucking torched on something. Just doesn't want to go. Huh, here it goes. Still verifying? What do you need to do? I want to say I got verified real quick. I thought I did at least. Yeah, I want to say I had to do that thing where you have to do your head in a fucking circle head thing. Yo, Cody, are you getting paid now? Cody, you taking out that money? Dude, that's awesome. What do you got? You got max payout, I think you said, right? 1,200? Dude, that's nice. Yeah, now it's going to go. Actually, we're sitting right at the pivot point right here. Am I going to revisit this? I need to get this account to 750 today. 110. Dude, that's solid, man. 1,100. I'm waiting until we kind of get I'm kind of waiting until we get what I want to see. To be real, I just took money out. Well, I'm going to request a payout, so I'm real happy today, actually. So I'm just kind of taking it easy. I don't know if I trust this shit. The news is so bad. Yo, if the news wasn't so bad, I would be like, oh, this is not. Dude. Yo. Yo, you up, CT? I feel like CT just smashed. You just smashed CT and you're up? There you go. That's what I get for having too tight, for moving my fucking stop. Look, if I didn't move it, would have been 200. 200? Hey, small wins, man. I take small wins. Are we going to get another rejection and then down and we're done? Done? Dun. Are we J done here and it just dumps? Up 800 on the funded and 600 another eval. That's solid, Dell. That's a good day, even if you ended right now. Yeah, I mean, I don't fucking care. Like, whatever they do, they do. Tradeify has always paid me. I have no issues. I don't know. Good. Yeah. I don't get involved, really. Trade, make money. You know, it's clickbait, and then in a week it's like, oh, we made up, like, yeah, that's crazy. Crazy. I mean, this looks like it's just going to flag here and then go for fucking new highs. That's honestly what I feel like we're looking at. We're just going to pop through, which is freaking nuts. Fuck it. Fuck it. Sucks because I was in so much fucking earlier. Yeah. Yeah, CT. Pretty much. Got to cause drama to pump up and get paid somewhere else. Yo, when is everybody going to show account numbers over there? I want to see account numbers. And you see what's really going on. Oh, you got paid? Oh, you're on fucking account 12,000? Are we going to punch through? Fucking punch through with a big ass algo candle. I almost took $60. Punch through. Just do it. I know, Flip. This is... Oh, I mean, that was my fucking... I was targeting the top of this fucking orb. Didn't take the money. Bought in stupid. Dude, that's wild, Ray. The problem with straight to funded is the consistency rules 20%. If they up the consistency rule to like 50%, I would definitely do it. Yo, I completely fucked this whole thing up with you, Flip. If you're talking about the NQ, I was literally in down here. Took a loss. The stupidity. I didn't even know what the old rules were, to be honest. I've never bought a straight to funded account with Tradeify. I've always gone the advanced or growth route. I don't know why, just the way I went about it, I guess. Yeah, so what happens with, like, say you catch like a good move, like you have to get out of it. And if you make too much money, like what's 20%? What is it, like $500? Like, kind of sucks. Especially if you only have one account or two accounts. Like you're, you know, 20% to me is like a, you know, I'm out on 20%. Yeah, Maximus, 100%. Yeah. You know, you catch a good run, 20% is tight, super tight. I got stopped out. Now I'd be fucking up. Part of me still thinks we're going to sell all the way down. So I had an issue with them because I made, oh man, what did I do? I made a lot of fucking money. So this is what sucked for me, Ray. I made in one day, I got paid on this account, and then it was the next time I had the account. So my account was at, say, I think the account was at 55,000 after I took a payout, right? And then I made another $500 the next day. So I was at 55,500, and then I lost $2,000, right? So now it's down to like 20, it's at 53,500. If I then make $2,000 the next day to make all my money back, I now have to get to like a ridiculous high number to get a payout. That's how I got fucked over there. You kind of know what I'm saying? Like when I took a loss, a big loss, but I made that money right back. But now 2,000, if you did it by 20%, like you have to make 10 grand to get a fucking payout at that point. So I did it, and then like I feel like I just blew the account. I was kind of like, fuck it. Like I need to make so much money at this point. It was like stupid, and I just stopped. My big problem was I made a lot of money for the first payout, so I could lose a lot of money. And then when I lost a lot, I made a lot of it back in one day, and then I didn't realize it. And the consistency was, I had to make a lot of money. I was like, I'm fucking. Dude, I'm just getting out of this. This is fucking so stupid. I've been fucked so many times here. I should just wait for like a real move is really what I should do. What screen do I have all my shit on is another fucking thing I'm looking at. Cool. We welcome, dude. I'm not playing gold, man. I am out on gold, bro. Shit, this thing's just gonna go. This thing's gonna go for it. Hello, Cove. Were you able to check with the provider? I don't know what you're talking about. Did it not work yesterday? Yo, if it didn't work, I can look later on. Yeah, I'd have to look later on. I didn't read my emails or anything. I'll look later on. Take a peek, see what's up. What up, Maria? What up? What up? Jeez, Jim Blab. Oh, this market. I feel like we're going to get a crazy move soon. It's just getting super tight. What is the ES doing? Damn, the ES is just ripping. Let's see. Fuck it. ES is ripping. Let's see if the NQ catches it right here. Maria. I just realized this is a 25K account. The drawdown is only 1,500. I just realized that. We'll see what happens. We shall see. I used a free rewards actually for this account. This account was free. Take Profit Trader has a reward section for points and shit. And I got this free account with my reward points. If I'm ever in prison, I'm never taking a shower. Bro. Just fucking rip it. Yo, what's crazy is ES is making new highs, right? Look at fucking ES right now. ES is just absolutely going bananas. Banana land. Look at it. Yo, JK. They love people that don't shower in there. I don't even know why. Do I want to know why? Do I want to know why, JK? Yeah, I feel like I gotta ask, right? The must turns them on. What the fuck? Yo. Yo, ES is just pumping. Bro. You guys are getting fucking shellacked. I might stop trading fucking those accounts for the day. I'm debating on it. Man, this thing doesn't want to go at all. ES is making new highs and ripping, and this thing doesn't want to fucking budge. Oh, there we go, boys. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it fucking going. That's it. That's it. Come on, baby. Push it. Push it. I'm going to take one off, and I'm going to move this to right here. It was good, but sucked. Dude, why is the ES going crazy though? Look at the holy shit. Look at the ES. Fuck. Oh, now the NQ fucking goes? Cool. Cool. Bro. It was definitely looking good. I had premature cellulation. I definitely sold too early. Definitely just sold too early. 1000%. But I guess money is money. Is that how we're going about it today? Money's money. I hung like a champion. Yo, I'm glad some of you guys made money off of it. Yo, my Ninja Trader's frozen. My Ninja Trader's literally frozen. Am I taking the bounce? Bro, free longs is where it was at. The big question is, do we sell through here? Why do I like this a lot? I feel like I like this sell. Dude, I need water, man. I got no water. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. Yo! What up, Donovan? There you go, Jim Blab. Oh, come on, baby. Nope. Nah, this is going to fucking rip, too. Fuck me. Is it? Push it down, baby. Give me the down. Dude, if this can get under 71, come on, push it, dude. This is the candle. Get the fuck down. Please. I want to get to break even is what I really want to do. I moved my stop down. I want to see us get to 67 and I could move my stop. I'm just moving my stops down because I wanted to see this go down and it had an opportunity to keep going. And the sell pressure just isn't there. And the longer we wait, the more the stochastics are working itself off. I'm just going to take it. Sure, it goes now. I liked it. It's just there's no sell pressure. The sell pressure just isn't fucking there. I'll take one more fucking shot. There's just no sell pressure. The only thing I like about it is we've gotten below the initial imbalance. You definitely have a fair value gap inversion. We just I'll just take that, get my $80 back. So I'll just show you why I took it. we shot up and when we came right back down, you have this inversion right here. I took this. We also traded back into it and then rejected it, right? So that's why I took it to the downside. And now you're starting to invert more, which are interesting. The problem is on the whole scheme of things, you're bumping your head on the top of the orb right here, which is usually a bounce point. Especially that we've just traveled a bunch of points. I would probably say you're going to get a bounce at some level here. I think when I backtested, I did 50 points. So this isn't quite 50 because it's 97 to 67. That's only 40. But I did a backtest that if you travel 50 points or more and hit the orb or the initial imbalance, like it bounces like 95% of the time. You know, it was a 10-point stop. So right here, you could have got in 10-point stop. You know, you obviously got a bounce here. But that was the back test. 50 points to come down and touch was the back test. Oh, man. This is looking like it's going to pop through to be fucking reals. If we can get back over 75, this is probably going to take off. You want to get right over 75. Nope. Dying. Dying is fucking shit. It's going to do it now. Super slot. It's not really a head and shoulders. I feel like I'm not risking much to get a lot. Yo, as long as you smash. Yo, what up, Mama Tick? What up? What up? What up? You got to assume it's at least going to 55, right? I want to see us bounce back up, maybe to 73 and take it again. Yo, you going to take a breather? Got out early again, but still. Yo, as long as you make, you're never going to make all the money. You're never going to get the whole pie, man. The only thing I would say you got to watch out for is stochastic. Like, we're oversold on the 1. They might pop it for a little bit. You know, you're in this breaker. We come out of this. You also have a trend line here. You know, you pretty much got this downtrend that we've been following. It's real sloppy today. I want to pass this fucking account today is what I really want to do. Get over 75 and go fucking nuts. Get over 75. 75 and we go fucking bananas. I want to go banana land. I'm at break even. I'm at BE, so it's free trade. Go bananas, baby. Johnny goes bananas. Nope. Anybody remember that show on fucking Entourage? Johnny Goes Bananas. I think if you can get over here, it will algo up, and you'll probably be able to get at least 5 fucking points. If it can get over there. Man, I'll be honest with you, though, price action kind of sucks today. It's real choppy. It's real slow. The ES, for whatever reason, is going bananas. Come on, baby. Just fucking push it. Did not get the algo candles. Let's see if we get. Dude, they're gonna tax. Yo, check this out. They're gonna tax people who use electric during the day. Time of day rate to all customers. They're charging you if you use more. They're charging you more if you use electric during prime time now on Long Island. That's crazy. I like small scalps. I like small scalps personally. I scalp more than I do holding it. Yo, what up, Spider? Yeah, I'll take scalps all day. It builds the bankroll to take a bigger shot at some point. I'll take $55, $50. $50 make you holla. Yeah. All day. All day I'll take small scalps. Yo, I like small scalps, and I cannot lie. Dude, I love the fucking 50, $80 bangers real quick. It builds the account for me. Yo, I don't know, Maximus. I just saw the alert. They're going to start charging you more money during, it's like 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. So if you want to run your air conditioning when you get home from work, it's going to cost you more money now. So stupid. Dude, they got their fucking hands out, bro. Their hands are way out. Uncle Sam's hands are out. Everybody's hands are out. It's crazy. Everybody's hands are out. I also heard, though, like, yo, in my pocket, as I walk around, they're playing pocket pool. Yo, it's just so crazy that they just keep charging you for more shit, man. Yo, how do you? Yo, is it Gandry? Is that how you say your name, Gandry? I want to make sure I get it right, or is it Gondry? Gondry or Gandry? I think it's Gandry. Um, Ganya, Ganyadri, Gon. Holy shit! I'm gonna have to put this in. How do I say this in fucking? I gotta do this in what do you call it? Google. How do you Gon Jandre Gondrandre? Bro, I'm going with Dre. We're gonna keep it simple. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it Dre. I'm so bad at pronouncing names on the stream. It's awful. Welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome, welcome. Oh, that's what they call you? Yeah, we're gonna keep that fucking super simple. Yeah. Yo, fucking I can't pronounce I'm so bad at pronouncing names, man. It's just awful. Dude, it feels like Asia. It definitely feels like Asia. Yo, the overnight move was beautiful. Yeah, gotcha. Uh yeah, you could probably get a free SIM account, Dre, on you could probably get a free SIM account on TradingView and or Ninja Trader. They'll give you a free SIM account. Yeah. That's what I would probably work on is just a SIM account, test it. Don't see what happens. I will catch this fucking massive move today. trying to see something real quick. Oh, there we go. Yeah, Sim is a demo. It's basically a free account. It's paper trading. It's just it's a practice account. It doesn't cost anything. That's the best way to go about it. That's probably the best way to do it is get a practice account. I just realized I bought this in the pro account and not in my eval. Interesting. I thought I was in an eval. I should have probably looked at that before. Oh, I didn't even look at that. I would not have taken this in a funded account. So just throwing that out there to you guys. This was supposed to be in an eval. Always buy low, sell high. Buy on green, sell on red. As that guy's fucking ad comes up all the time. It's like, oh, it's that easy. Buy on green, sell on red. Okay, cool, man. Oh, jeez. Listen, if this dumps out, this would be great. I would love to see us down here again. I can get to break even. I'm going to get to break even. I thought I bought this in an eval. So I am going to try to get this to, a break even spot faster than I normally would because it's not like an A+ setup. And I thought I was in an eval. So I just kind of want out of it, to be honest with you. But if we go through, fucking awesome. I got stopped. I'm okay with that because I really didn't want to buy it in this account. Yeah, just got to know. Dude, look at this chop. We have been chopping in a 5-point. This is like a 5-point range, basically, for 15 minutes. We've been in a 5-point fucking range. What is going on? There was news today. I thought a day that had news, we would be moving. Yo, the news didn't do shit. We dumped, came back, and now we're just here. And here we are. Maybe you get a pop here. Bro, I get so many text message advertisements. It's absolutely insane. Text message out. I don't even know how they get my number. I just got one from Sports Profits. Like, what the fuck? I don't even bet sports unless I'm out on like a trip or something. I think the summer months have less volume in them, which is kind of doesn't help things. I also feel like there's a lot going on and not a lot. I don't know. I feel like it's not great. I feel like it hasn't been great. Actually, the other day was amazing. What was that? Monday or Tuesday? Monday or Tuesday, it was really good. Where we were all over the place. I made a fuck ton of money yesterday, though. Not going to lie. Oh, is that what it is? I'm not registered to vote, though. I am not registered to vote. What is that? 2? Yeah. I don't know. I get a lot of them though, man. In New York, it doesn't matter, to be honest with you, because they vote Democrat every single year because of New York City. So where I live is Republican, but New York City has so many people, and they all vote Democrat. It doesn't really matter. It's like 60 something percent, 65% New York State, and it's all just in the city. The city controls the whole thing. Yeah. Oh, I'm just looking. I'm just looking at a bunch of shiznick. Dude, where did Hims end up going to anyways? Damn, Hims is trying to hold on in dear life. I think it's going to go down to 35. I'm just looking. What do we got? Damn, Robinhood just keeps going up. Jesus. SoFi keeps going up too. Jeez. Crazy, crazy. I'm just looking at this shit. Oh, what up, PG? Yo, been that way since the 40s? Yeah. In Chicago, rep increased. Yeah, I mean, things are definitely changing. Um, I think since the Biden thing, the last vote definitely changed a lot of areas. I think I just think the pendulum swung one way so fucking far that now it's starting to swing back the other way. It'll find its way into the middle. The problem is you only have really 2 parties. Like, all seriousness, you should have like 5 parties. 5 parties would be ideal. where you kind of have, you know, the fars, and then you kind of, you know, have more of the middles. You know, like I don't think that's what I think should happen, but they're not. It's so far past that at this point. You would need somebody like fucking Taylor Swift or The Rock to run as an independent to change things. That's you would need an independent to win one time or come close to winning to really change the parties, to at least get 3 parties in there. And I think it would help to have more than 2 parties, because one side can't always be right and the other side's always wrong. Although people are like that. They're like, oh, I only just go this way no matter what is said. You know, I think somewhere in the middle. Yeah, Garcher, there could be other ways around it like that. Also, I think these guys need terms like in Congress and shit. Like some of these people have been sitting for ages. Ages and ages. Whew. He wants to start a new party now. Elmo is the problem. What do you have against Elmo? Is it Tickle Me Elmo? As much as big business owns the government is in bed with a lot of big business. Bro, Ross Perot? I remember that. I'm pretty sure the U.S. government uses technology from a lot of these companies that you don't even know about. I'm down on Apex. I don't think I'm going to trade it the rest of the day. I'm in one thing short. That's it. I'm done. I'm going to chill out. No need to trade. No need to trade it. Took a breather, and it's just chop. I don't want to start smoking funded accounts in the chop. So, I mean, you just got to know when you should trade funded accounts and when you should not trade funded accounts, and that's where I'm at. Yo, chat, I freaking tweaking. What? What are you doing, Dal? Oh, I traded this fund. So, like, price action was great earlier. I made 523 on day 1 of this Express account. You know, I just think now that it's just kind of, you know, if you take 20-point range, we've been in 20 points for the last hour. You know, 20 points is really not much. You know, this is where you get yo-yoed. This is where you lose. You know, you go long, you go short. You go long, you go short. You know, next thing you know, the market didn't go anywhere, but you lost 150 points worth of gains. I would almost watch this. Yeah. When this rolls over, the NQ is probably going to roll hard. It actually looks like it's rolling. I would like to get this account up to $750. Ross Perot. Bro, I haven't heard that name in ages, Maximus. Ross Perot. The ES is up. Actually, the ES and NQ are up the same amount percent-wise. It's just the ES ran much harder during market hours than is this just going to trend the fuck up? Is that what this is going to do for the rest of the day? I'm just here for the scalps. There we go. There we go. Now it's a free trade. I sold one off for $75 and I got my stop in and it's a free trade. If this candle goes green, I'll move this up. Oh, well, didn't even have to. So 35 and 70, 110. Grind it like peppercorn. Check the 4 hour. Let's see what the 4 hour looks like. I mean, what are you looking at in the 4 hour? I'm not looking at anything where I'm like, oh my God. You know, maybe as a magnet to this next pivot point. You know, maybe we go up to the next pivot. Oh. Candles erased on your thing? I did not have that happen. 4 hour just looks like it's going to go for it, maybe. You know, you had this down candle, and now we're pushing back over it. That's what I would say. It's probably I'm still holding that one short. That's it. Tell you what, I locked in $2,000 payout today, so I'm pretty fucking happy. I locked in $2,000 of a payout, and I have another funded account that was literally $600 away from getting destroyed, and I added 265 to it, so I can't complain. What is that? I got to flip contracts real quick, actually. Just flip the contract there. Flippy McFlipperson. I don't understand why they make you do that in certain accounts. Like, I already passed. Why do I have to sit here and flip fucking accounts? You know? It's so stupid. Like, just give me the funded account. Do you think I'm going to do something stupid and jeopardize my fucking account? Like, no, man. Just give me the fucking funded account. Let me go bananas. Let Cove go bananas. Holy shit, did that go? You know what I'm saying, though? Like, why are we playing games here? I think having to flip is so stupid. I don't know about you guys, but having a flip is fucking stupid to me. Just give me the account. Let me go bananas. And I'll see you at payout. Couldn't help it. Up another. Yo, 80 bucks is 80 bucks. 20 bucks is 20 bucks. Jim Blab. $20 is 20 bucks. Are they going to bring this up to the promised land? Why is my fucking phone not charging? You're kind of retesting the breakout right here. See this? Top of the candle. You kind of tested that. Now we're going up. Get over 600. Pop a docket up. I can't buy up here. This is fucking high. Yo, I just realized I got to pass this account today. This is on my list of shit that I need to do also is pass this account today. This is going to be my lunchtime trade. 3 cons, 12. I need $2,200 to pass. This is my lunchtime trade. It has lunchtime written all over it. Most likely it's going to be a short because I think we're going to run here and I'm going to short. Ninja Trader froze? Are you running it on a laptop, CT? Yo, what up, Cube? Are you running it on a laptop? How are you running it? Yeah, I'll be honest with you, your laptop is probably doesn't have enough memory. How many gigs of RAM does your laptop have? Like if you got 16 or less, like 8, it just may not have enough memory for Ninja when you're running scripts that require a lot of memory usage. Are you running one chart in Ninja or do you have like 5 charts open? Like, if you have like 5 charts open, I would go to 1. There's also a thing in Ninja. Let me see if I can find it. It will tell you how much usage your shit is using. Dude, they had me go to it on and look one time, and it tells you, yeah, Cube, you got 64 gigs of RAM though. I have a feeling he does not, and that is probably what's doing it. I'm just on the net. I'm on the app looking to see where. I don't want the chat. There's an area in Ninja you could see resources. I don't know. I'm looking for it for you, and you can see what's eaten up or using the most amount, and that. I mean, I know what the problem is you're running something with a lot of resources. You're running a script or, you're running something like that. Look, we broke out of this breaker on the 5. This thing's going to go for it. What are you looking for? What type of computer is it, CT? I'll just Google it and look. I bet you it has 16. Yo, what up, Ron B? Yeah, that's your problem, though, is you probably got something like that going on. That would be my guess, is you got 16 gigs of RAM and it's not able to run scripts with high resource. Let's see. Inside. Yeah, I think we looked this up. It was 16 gig. Yeah, I think we looked this up. It was 7110. Yeah. Yeah, it has a I think it's 16 gigs. Yeah, the computer's from 2020, right? Right, CT? I think it came out in 2020. Reddit says that they make a model that you have that has 8 gigs. If you have 8 gigs, yeah, I would probably say it has 16 from what I'm reading. I would see if you could shut. I don't know what else. What else are you running besides Ninja on your computer? Like, I would shut off other things. Josh, what up, Josh? 5-minute fair value gap forming at the top. Yeah, you got it. Give a little dump. Yo, Apex went back to 80% off. That was. Yo, Corey, bro, how good do you feel? How good do you feel after doing something like that? Shut off Discord real quick. Discord eats it. I would shut off Discord. I don't know what PROX is, but I would shut off Discord. Go to BE right there. Stopped. Apex. What did Apex fucking do? They took away 80% for like a day, and now they're back. It's 80% off. The only thing they raised is the activation fee is 140 now. Oh, Project X. Yeah, if you're not trading with Project X, I would take it off because that's web-based. gas by you is skyrocketing with crude tanking. That's interesting. Yeah, Marie, it does suck. Honestly, guys, I can't fucking. Apex is $140. If you pass one, you literally get one for free. And there's no activation fee. My funded futures. My funded futures, pass an account, get one for free, and there's no activation fee on either.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. If you pass. Well, if you're not going to pass, then don't do anything. $56? Dude, they just dumped this shit. Dumped. I'm fucking locked out. I forgot I locked out. Dude, that's nothing. Come on and bounce it. No, they're just going to sell through. Now, all of a sudden, the GDP number is going to matter. Yo, the shit didn't matter one bit before. Now, all of a sudden, they're like, oh, it's, we already just sold all our fucking shit to the public. Dude, they're just unloading this thing. Dude, that was a good call out at the fucking top. Glad I got $5. I wouldn't be surprised if they brought it back up, but who the fuck knows? Who knows? I would think they were going to bring it back up to maybe like 74 or something like that. Maybe touch the 9 and then come back down. Or just make new highs. Just rip everyone's face off and start going up. But I got you guys. Oh, baby. Dude, is this VWAP or are they fucking me? Oh, it's not even VWAP? Oh, you fucking pieces of shit. I'm out. I thought it was VWAP. They just recalculated it. That's crazy sauce. I just got fucking trade evaded. I got trade evaded right there. Bro, that's wild. I thought this was VWAP was up here. It's called trade evaded. Dude. Dick faces. Telling me VWAP was up. That's crazy. I got zoomed. I didn't thrive. The yellow line, this yellow line is the 200. This was VWAP. But VWAP, they were showing it higher was the problem when it really wasn't higher. That was the problem. That was a big problem, actually. No, you got to zoom out and then zoom back in. When you zoom out, it recalculates. Actually, Project X does the same thing. The blue line recalculates. I just did it before, but the blue line recalculates. And then you zoom back in and you're like, oh, okay. It's not where I thought it was. Stupid. Oh. They might push this all the way back up. Isn't that crazy? I don't know why it happens on all the platforms with VWAP. It happens on all of them where it's supposed it shows it one place, but it's not. Awesome. Here's a President Trump fucking tweet. Oh, it was deleted. That's fucking crazy. I got alerted. Yo, we're going nowhere. Yeah, you gotta zoom out till you see the open. Yep. Pentagon releases test footage showing how bunker busters work. That was the tweet by Trump and the White House. Yo, the White House literally posted this, and in the video it says, "America, fuck yeah." Pentagon drops bomb tapes. Iran's nukes obliterated. What the fuck? America, fuck yeah. An official correspondence from the White House. Bro, you can't make this shit up. Yeah, I get rid of the two bands though. Nah, I don't use the bands. Yo, the tweet literally has America fuck yeah in the White House tweet. Like, yo, I feel it's just so crazy. If you did that at an office job, they'd fucking fire you. America, fuck yeah. Jimmy's Auto Body, fuck yeah. They'd be like, yo, you can't be doing that. You shorted the 200 EMA, like below it, I guess. I mean, it was definitely a nice bounce. We're not going anywhere. Dude, did you see the tweet, Jim Blab? Oh, you shorted into the 200. Oh. Yeah, I mean, fucking crazy. I want to pass this account. America, fuck yeah. Fucking crazy. Whoever's working that thing. Yo, I don't understand why my phone just stopped taking a charge here. Yo, I wonder what some of the prop firms are going to do for 4th of July deals, by the way. 4th of July deals coming up, coming in hot. When is the 4th? 4th of July is next week. Should be interesting. Oh, yeah. I haven't watched that one yet. I got to watch it. I heard it's good, Maximus. I heard it's real good. Tires. The My Funded Futures deal ends June 29th. What's June 29th? Is that Friday? No. Today's Thursday, I think. Probably Sunday. Buy one, pass it, and get a free eval with it. June 29th? Yo, who would have thought that prop firm would go under? Stupid. So stupid. No, you just got to buy it. If you buy the account, whenever you pass it, you'll get a free eval. Yeah, you don't have to pass it right now. Oh, man. Stretch my legs out. This is some choppy fucking action. Anybody eating anything good for lunch? What's good for lunch, guys? Yo, guy is from Canada, lives in the Philippines, businesses in Bahamas. Nothing shady. Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving, man. You're about to go to the Waffle House? Dude, I don't have a Waffle House by me. I wish I did. Lucky Boy Burgers? Same as Austin Powers movie? Dude. Boom, 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 boom. I'm exhausted. Trying to think what I should get. What should I get for lunch today? I don't know. He was part of the team. You don't really know what's going on, CT. Everything goes on behind closed doors. You know, what? I have no idea. You know, if you think about it, nobody really knows. Dude, New York Slice. I just ate pizza 2 days ago. I know I can eat pizza a lot, but I'm going to end up eating pizza tomorrow too. So I'm out on that. I might go to a salad place by me. Go get a barbecue chicken salad. Because I'm sure I'm going to eat a bunch of shit for dinner. Nah, they're two different people. Sage was the first person that got paid out from that firm, which was, bro, where's my red flag at? Bro, I need one of those. How much is a red challenge flag from Amazon? I need a red challenge flag for all the shit that goes on in this fucking prop firm industry. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Bro. I got my red challenge flags coming tomorrow. For the stream. Oh. Bro, today's price action is fucking rough. We haven't done anything. That's what she said, Flip. 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 Dude. Just sitting. So ridiculous. I'm not. I'm glad I made money early on. We'll just say that. I am super happy that I made some money in some funded accounts. Apex was a rough go at, but that was kind of from last night. Other than that, I mean, shit. This is just. This is going nowhere. I'm going to pull off a lunchtime trade in this account. Let's see which way I'm going to go. Boom. See what's in. It's crazy. You had a 3-bar on a 5, and then if you break it at 613, 611, it's definitely bullish. You got a 3-bar to the upside. I mean, I kind of feel like you got to go up. kind of feel like it's going to go up. Not that I want to play it up. I would love to see it break this.
Order filled.
What do I need? $2,200 to get funded? Right there, I get funded. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to hold it. We're just going to hold it. That's the lunchtime trade for me. I just hold it. Only goes up. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Look at this shit. As soon as I get in. Fuck me. It's all right. I can't blow the account anyways because it has a daily loss limit of 1,200, and I just start again tomorrow. Boom, boom. Somebody left Tesla. Somebody just left Tesla. I'm just looking. Just kind of looking to see what's going on in the market in general with stocks. Oh, fuck. I was looking at D-Dog stock. I don't know. I'm very weary about buying fucking anything at high of all-time highs. The Chinese stocks are nowhere near all-time highs, which is interesting. If they set, I'll just tell you right now, if Trump comes out and sets a deal with China, Chinese stocks are going to go through the fucking roof. Obviously, if he doesn't, they're probably going to go down. But if he doesn't do a deal with China, the whole market is going to go down, right? But if he does a deal with China, stocks will go up. But Chinese stocks will go to the fucking moon. You know? There's obviously risk involved, but I got some Baidu for the risk. I'm risking it for the biscuit on Baidu. Just throwing it out there. Yeah. Oh, I'm just looking. All right. I'm going to go grab some lunch. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader below. I'm going to grab lunch. I've been on since the open. I'll be back at 2 o'clock, 2:15-ish. Price action is not really going anywhere. So I'm going to hold this trade. And that's pretty much all I'm doing. I don't know. I do think we're going to dump here at some point today, but I can definitely see them ripping it one last time before the dump. You kind of dumped, you bought it back up, down, it probably goes up. They probably push it into this zone, and then they'll probably dump it. But I'll see you at 2 o'clock. Peace!